do you sit properly? See the shoes up? Okay, hold on your shoes. How do you sit properly? That's rule number 2. Okay, when I do this, that means you sit properly because you are not sitting properly anymore. Okay? And then rule number 3, you have to raise your hand if you want to say something, if you want to answer, or if you want to go out. Do not just, mama, mama, me, mama. No. You have to. Okay, rule number 1. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Rule number 3. Okay. But, who can remember our lesson last time? Yes, Justin? Yes, very good. I am glad that you still remember our last lesson, which was about preposition. Who can give me an example of preposition? Or what kind of preposition was it? It was preposition of? Isa? Is it for? Wait, what kind of preposition? There are many kinds of preposition. Preposition of time, preposition of place. What's what it is about? It's preposition of time. Of time? Was it? Since? No, our last lesson. The lesson that we took out last time. It was preposition of? Yes, Kirsten? Very good. It's preposition of place. Okay, we studied preposition of place. What are the examples of preposition of place? In. Very good. Rule number 3. Study. No, preposition of place. Kenji. On. Very good. There are 3 examples of preposition of place. Royalty. Very good. So the preposition of place, we have 3 examples. We have at, we have on, and we have in. Alright? I have here 3 sentences. And I want you to read this. Okay. Can you read it all together? I am at the school. Okay. Sentence number 2. Again, everybody read. I am in the school. Alright. Who can tell me the difference between these 2 sentences? The difference is? Very good. Can we clap for him? Wow, clap. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, everybody go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, thank you. Alright. The difference between these 2 sentences are at and in. Alright? So let's look. Sentence number 3. Very good. It means that the I or the subject is talking that he or she was at the location of the school. Okay, nandun siya sa school, sa location. He or she may be at outside the school. He or she may be beside the school or at the back of the school. The point there is he or she is at the location of the school. How about number 2? Can you volunteer? Yes, Saidil? Very good. Inside the school, the other subject is telling us that she or he is inside the school. Meaning, it is in an enclosed space. Alright? So we use that in. How about number 3? Yes? Okay.
The mother studying that she's on the stage.
Now, what do you mean by that on the stage? Yes, I do. On top. So we use on if it is in an open space and on the surface. Like for example, this one. Okay? So when I put this here, it's in the open space and it's on the surface. So we use on. The bottle is on the table. But if I'm going to put this here, you cannot use on. Why? Because even if it is in an open space, but it's not on the surface. Use the on if it is in an open space and on the surface. So it should be here. Do you understand, class? Very good. Okay. Okay, those are our lessons. The preposition of time. Now, I have here a box. Inside the box are insects. Just kidding. I'm not going to bring insects here. There are papers inside. There are words written on it. Okay? But we will have a game for this time. Okay. So, I'm going to group you into 3. We have group 1. Roll number 1. Group 1. Group 2 and group number 3. Alright? So, you choose one leader for each group. You'll do one. Okay, listen up. Leader. Okay, leader for group 3 and forward. Leader for group 2 and group 1. Come forward. Meron na. Group 1, who's the leader? Okay, then you can start. Right. This is the mechanics of our game. You listen very carefully because it has a prize. I'll give you prize. Are you excited? Okay, so very quickly. Always remember our rules. Okay, we're going to pick words from here. And then here, look at there, we have sentences. Alright? Now, I will read the sentence, and after that, your group will choose one word here to answer, to fill in this blank. Alright? Do you understand? So I'm going to read the sentence, and then your group will answer. You choose from this box, the words from this box, which I give to your leaders. You choose the word, and then we're going to fill it in there in the blank. Do you understand? Okay. Give me now, choose. Okay, go back to your group. Marami yan. Okay, let us compose of these words. Alright? You share with your group. you have. Number one. Not yet. I will count 1, 2, 3. And then you raise your answer. I will count after I count the... Okay, number 1. My English class starts blank 7 a.m. 1, 2, 3. Raise. What's your answer? Okay? Raise your answer. What's your answer? Okay. At. Group 1 is at. Group 2 is at. At ba? Group 3 is at. The correct answer is at. Alright? So, take note, the most group that gets the most correct number will win. Number 2. It is dangerous to go out blank the car. 1, 2, 3. Raise your answer. Okay? Group 1, during. Group 2. During. Group 3, since. The correct answer is during. Okay? So 2, 2, 1. Number 3. Sally has been working blank January. 1, 2, 3. Raise your answer. 1 is since. Number 2, since. Number 3, since. The correct answer is since. Number 4. My vacation ends blank Sunday. 1, 2, 3. Raise your answer. Okay. Group 1. Group 2. Raise your answer. Group 1 is on. Group 2 is at. And group 3 is in. The correct answer is in. Yeah! Okay. So, 2, 2, 2. On 2. Number 5. My birthday is blank. Sorry. The answer number is on. Sorry. On. Number 5. My birthday is blank May. 1, 2, 3. Raise your answer. Yeah! Yun na, tama na yun. Okay? Raise your answer. Ayaw ko ng ganyan-ganyan. In. On. And in. The correct answer is in. So you have 4, 2, and
5, 4, 3.
3. Okay, last question. Last sentence. I studied English blank 1 year. 1, 2, 3. Rule number 1. Okay. Group 1 is 4. Group 2 is... Ano yan? Dalawa answer niyo? 4. Okay, 4. And then group 3 is in. This one, the answer is, correct answer is 4. Look at the perfect answer. Group 3 is 1. So,
5.
later after our class, I'll give you the reward. Okay, class. What do you notice with the words? Looking back to the words that we get from the box. What do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Nigel. Preposition of what? Very good. Preposition of time. Okay. If the preposition of place tells us the place, what is the preposition of time tells us? Okay, again, my question. If the preposition of place, it tells us place, right? How about preposition of time? What does preposition of time tells us? Cycle. Alright, it's time. From the word preposition of time, it tells us about time. Okay? So, okay. What are the examples of preposition of time?
Sure.
Yes?
Sure.
What are the examples of preposition of time? There's this. What else? What else? Force is during. What else? Anybody? vacation. It was during vacation, within the period. Alright? So, we use, yes, we use during within the period of an event or happening. Number 2, this is, alright, there is heavy traffic during rush hour. When does heavy traffic happen? During rush hour. After rush hour, no more traffic. No more traffic. So it should be during. We use during if it tells us that the event happens within the period of time. Do you understand, class? Very good. Okay, number 2. Since. When do we use since? I would like to call on Ram. Ram, please read.
Tutors use when there's a point of time in the class out.
Alright, what do you mean by this? It's used when there is a point of time in the past until now. Which means that there should be a specific start. There should be a specific time that the event starts. Okay, like for example, please read everyone. When did father work in Italy? When? Yes. So when that boy or when the child was born, that was the start. That was the start that his father lived in Italy. Alright? There was a starting point. There was a starting time. That's why we use since. Alright. Example. Alex. When did you study in EU? When was the start of your study in EU? When did you? Okay. 10 months ago. Since. Okay. Kiana. When did you study in EU? Last year. Okay. So that means you enrolled in Arellano when you were in grade 2. Right? Okay. So she started studying in Arellano since grade 2 or since last year. So there is a specific start. There is a start. There is a point. Royalty. When did you study in Arellano?
Since grade 1.
Since grade 1. Very good. So there is a specific time. Okay. My sister has been sitting in the waiting room since 2:30. When did her sister start sitting in the room? Since 2:30. Very good. Because there is a specific time of point of time. Okay, there is a start. That's when we use since. Next. 4. When do we use 4? Who can guess? Get excited. A specific time. Another. When do we use 4? Gabriel. 4 seconds. Wait. When do you think we use 4? No idea? Okay, it's here. I would like to call Kabila. Please read. Can you see? Is it okay? Okay, you can do it. 4 is used. Thank you. Okay, so we use 4 when there is it refers to the duration of time. Class, remember, we use 4 if it answers the question, how long? Okay, how long? Okay, example. You said you started studying, since grade 1, royalty. Royalty said that she started studying in Arellano since grade 1. So, how long did royalty study in Arellano? How long?
4 years.
4
years.
How many years?
4 years.
Is it 4? You're still in grade 3. every. So it means it answers the question, how long? Okay, how long?
Okay.
Isa, will you please read the example?
My parents lived in the Middle East for 7 years.
Okay, how long did your parents live in Middle East? 7 years. That's why he uses the word for, because it tells us the duration. How long did you do the event, or how long does the event happen? Do you understand, class?
Yes.
Very good. Next. Okay, so we have at. When do we use at? Everybody read. Everybody read. This is for festival or occasion. Alright. You use at if it is first specific time. What is a specific time? Like for example, I eat my lunch at when? 11:45 a.m. So he did not eat his lunch at 11:50. He did not eat his lunch at 8 o'clock. There is a specific time. 11:45 a.m. That's why we use the at. Alright? Remember what? We use at with a specific time. How about period of time? Period of time. Okay, and festivals or occasions. Period of time, like for example, who can give me an example? Using the at sentence. Zane A. Zane A, you've been talking for so long. Can you give me an example of a sentence using the at? Zane A. Zane A. Can you give me an example? Using the at. When did you what time did you wake up? I woke up. Complete sentence. At 8 a.m. I woke up at 8 a.m. So this is the house. Next is the festival or the occasion like Christmas Eve. Okay, Christmas Eve. We use also at Christmas Eve. Alright? With a festival. So, example, at New Year's Day. Justin, what do you do at New Year's Day? Wow, very good. Also, vacation. So, use the at. Next. On. Nathan, where do we use on? Can you please read? Can you please read? Just read. On is shoes. Alexa. On is shoes. This one. This. Okay. On is yours with the what? A specific day of the week. What are the days of the week? Everybody, what are the days of the week? What is the first day? Sunday. Sunday is the first week. It's the first day of the week. Sunday. Monday is the first day of your school. But the first day of the week is Sunday. You have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When you use that one, we use the on. On Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Saturday. Alright, class? You understand? Okay. And of course, the specific dates. Okay, dates. Remember it's dates. Like for example, final exams will be on 15th day of May. There is a specific day. Alright, the 15th day. Happy Fourth. When is your birthday? My birthday is on April 1. 25. If you say my birthday is only April, you're not going to use on. Because on is used with a specific day. You should put the day. Alright? My birthday is on April 21st. 25. So my birthday is on April 25. You should put the exact date, alright? Because there is another use for that if you use only the month. Another one, we give gifts on Christmas Day. There is a specific day, Christmas Day. When did you give gift? On Christmas Day. Not just Christmas. If you use the Christmas without the day, you're not going to use on. Because it's not a specific, there's no specific day. You should put the day to use on. So if it is on, then you should use, if it is a specific day, Christmas Day, there's no other day, but on Christmas Day, which is 25, you should use on. Do you understand, class? Are you still alive? Are you still alive? Rule number 1. Okay, rule number 2. Rule number 2. Alright, forever done. Okay, last one in. When do you use in? Okay, class, did you hear Alina? Some of you didn't hear her because you are talking. What is our rule? Okay, we use on, in to discuss months. So this is what I said a while ago, that if you're going to use only months, you don't need to use on, but in. In October, there's no date here. So, but if you're going to put date here, 25, this should be on, not in. Right? You understand? Okay. Since this is October only, my birthday is in October, we use in. This is for the months. Okay? We have how many months in a year? 12. Very good. What seasons? What are the seasons? In the Philippines, we don't have 4 seasons. We only have 2 seasons. But in other countries, they have 4 seasons. And what are those 4 seasons? Rule number 3. Shyrix. Sorry. What are the 4 seasons? Zachariah. Do you know the 4 seasons? Ram. Okay, the 4 seasons are... Okay, Justin, 4 seasons?
Spring.
Okay, the 4 seasons are summer, fall, spring, and what? Winter. So if we have the seasons, we use what prepositions of time we use with the seasons? In. Very good, Benji. So we use in spring. Flowers blossom in spring. There is snow in winter. It is very hot in summer. Alright? So it is very cold in winter. Leaves are falling in autumn or fall. Alright? Okay. We also use a specific year. Okay, if it is year only, like for example, Tristan, what year is your birthday? I was born in August 29, 2016. What preposition we're going to use with that? I was born in August 16, 2016. It should be on because there's a specific time. We only use with the year. Okay. So if it is year, we use the in. Okay, we are living in 21st century. If it is century also, we use in. Class, do you understand? Do you have any questions? No. Really? During, what else? We have 6. We discussed 6. Yes, in, on, and at. Very good. Okay. So these are, we don't have 4 periods, length of time, like 4 hours. And then during, it is for the period of time, like during, example, during lunch. And then the since is between past time and now. There is a specific start, since 5 o'clock and then until now. And then we have at specific time, like 11:45. And then period of time at night, festival at Christmas Eve, on days of the week, as in on Monday, specific example on 15th day of May, calendar holidays like on Christmas Day, and in the end, we have for March, like in October, sun, spring, and years is 1861, and century is 21st century. Now, those are the, okay. Now, we're going to have a group activity. Okay, they will know, you will learn from our lesson today, alright? Okay, from the book, just a while ago, movie? This thing is correct?
I'm sorry.
She has been eating, or she is eating pizza at 5 p.m. Okay, how about group 1? Group 3, sorry. Okay, group 1, minus kayo. There. Minus points. Okay, for group 3. Dual number 1. Okay, for group 3, we are in the beach since September 23. And there are many people. Since September 22, that means until now you are still in the beach. Is it right? Since there is a the starting point or point of time. Since September until now you are still in the beach. Okay? You can use this during summer. You can use or in summer. Okay? You can use in summer. Okay. Do you understand that?